Hey guys, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to remove first node from a singly linked list in Java. So here I have my own custom singly linked list, and in this list, I would like to remove the first node. Yeah. So logic is pretty simple. Here in my blog, I have already mentioned these things. So if you want to remove the first node, then we need to make the second node as head and delete memory allocated for the first node. So here basically if you look into the this linked list is having 7 nodes, right? And first node, if you know, always pointed to the head node. So this head we have to move to the second node. That's the first thing you have to do. So what I have done over here, so first of all, head I have assigned to one temporary node, right? And then after we have to do head equals to head dot next, so that head will point to the second node, right? And after that you have to nullify this reference, right? And that's what I have done. Temp node dot next equal to null, and currently temp node is pointing to the head, so this reference will be nullified. And once we remove the first element from the singly linked list, then head will point to the second node, right? And this node, first node, will be garbage collector. That's it, right? So let's see how we can implement. So this is the linked list, right? And linked list always pointing to the head, right? First node. First head is always pointing to the first node, and that's what this I have declared as instance variable. This is just internal class which represents the node in the single linked list. Here I have an insert method which basically inserts nodes into the singly linked list. Once we done the insertion, then we have to basically remove the first node from the linked list, right? And this is the one of the helping method which basically displays node which basically traverse throughout the node starting from the head, and that go to the last node and displays values for every node. That's it, right? Now here I have given the method name as remove first, and this returns the data, right? Whatever data will be removed, first data will be removed, that will be returned as well, right? So here first of all you have to check if head is already null. That means your list is empty, right? Then in that case we have to throw some exception. If list is already empty, someone is trying to remove the first element, that is not possible, right? So this is a kind of exceptional scenario, so you have to throw some exception. So here I'm going to throw new no such element. So I'm going to use one of the existing exception in Java, and here you can just specify the message list is empty, right? List is. So when you start coding, then you should consider corner cases as well, right? Now if that is not the case, if there is some nodes in the linked list, then what you have to do, already we have discussed node t, and let's say this is nothing but the temp node, and temp node I'll assign the head of the linked list, right? Now what you have to do, head you have to shift to the next node, right? So I do head equals to head dot next, so that head will point to the next node, or you can say second node in the linked list, right? Now here also I have to do, let's extract data from this node, right? That finally I have to return as well, right? So whichever node is going to basically remove from the linked list, so that node value I have to return. So this is nothing but the result, and this result I have to of course return. And after that link also we have to remove this link, right? And for that what we have to do, you have to do temp node dot next nullify, right? So temp node dot next, that is nothing but the this reference, right? Equals to, just you have to nullify. So in that way we can remove first node from the linked list, right? So this implementation is really very simple. Now let's see how we can do. So here I am inserting 6 nodes in the linked list, and after that just I am displaying by calling this display linked list. So that will display the entire linked list, and after that just I'm calling remove first method, this method. So here just I am removing one element, so first element will be removed from the linked list, and then after removing this element, right, I'm displaying linked list again, right? So let's see what happens. So here you can see this is the original linked list. I have basically removed first element. So this is the first element. So after that list is something like that. Like list starts from the 20. So now 20 is the first element. Let's say if I call this method once again, then 2 elements will be removed, right? So if I run, then here you can see 2 elements, initial 2 elements has been removed. So first time when we call remove first, then this element has been removed. After that, link structure will be something like this. Again, if we call remove first, then 20 will be removed as well, right? And afterwards only 30, 40, 50 and 60 will be remaining in the list, right? So that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys. As far as source code concerned, I'm going to post this source code on my blog kjavatutorials.com. Guys, big thank you for watching this video and see you there in the next video tutorial.